Is this thing on? Whatever. Let me smoke. So anyway, as I was saying, it's not easy camping out every day. You'll have sinus problems, you'll have issues, you'll have a cut finger. So what? You have to build fires every day if you want to make some camp coffee. So what? That's life out here in the boonies. That's where us people live. I need to go feed my dog at some point. You have to have a dog if you live out here. If you want to keep chickens, you definitely need a dog. Or otherwise you'll just keep coons. You know, I've seen 5 of them, mother and 3 children plus 1 more somewhere on the ground, climbing around in the trees around Halloween. I thought it was kind of a trick-or-treat thing. But when they started getting my chickens, then I decided, not good. Anyway, live and learn. Or you don't live very long. You know what I mean? Cheers. I've heard about people that tried to do it and died trying. I'm not going to buy the farm. No. And I'm not here to teach you how to not buy the farm. Because I'm not here to teach anybody anything. I just stumble around. God, I look ugly. Anyway, I just live. That's about the extent of it. That's the gist of it. You know? Maybe some aloe on my face would make me look more photogenic. What do you think? Katie. Sarah. Well, I have nothing left to say today. So, bye-bye.